Alright, and thank you for purchasing your QuickBooks Online. What I want to start out is just go over some brief information here of what to fill out in the beginning. We're going to cover a few things here. Obviously, company name, address, phone number. Most of you folks will already have that in there. So just to make sure and verify, one thing I will let you know right now is the phone number will require you to put in the dashes. So if you have a phone number in there and it's giving you a red error, just have to put the dashes in there. Alright, and once we get this filled out, obviously the next important step, if you have a logo, you can pick that. You'll notice down here to the right, Save and Next. Once we click on Save and Next, it's going to send us over to one more screen here. Important thing here in the industry, if you start typing something in and wait a second, it'll actually give you a drop down. You do have to select from the drop down menu on the industry type. Okay. Once you have that, you can choose whatever fits correctly. This does not have to be exact. This data is mainly used to collect information so you can compare to similar companies and get you set up, so it does not have to be exact, but just something in the neighborhood for you. Again, in this products and services, obviously, if you are in LLC, you can choose S Corp or Corporation. They do not have LLC in there at this time. Important here, importing from data from Windows or Mac. If you're ready to do that right now, you'll choose yes. If you have two employees and want to do it yourself payroll, choose yes. And then obviously if you like to get paid, we do have the new merchant account that you can set up to do ACHs and credit cards. If we did not go over that, make sure and get back with me via email. With the no monthly fee version of that now, it's a great opportunity to get some other options to receive money. Magic's happening. This is just building information here for you. Alright, and we're good to go. Save and Next. Alright, this is inside the actual QuickBooks account. And now as you can see, we're inside the QuickBooks account. These are your tabs on the left. Let's start out with, I want to go over a little bit into the company settings and really the account management section. So you notice to the right of your company name is a gear. Inside the gear are numerous tools for the company. Obviously your account. In this section, this is where it's going to show you all of your billing information. So on yours, when you're subscribed, you will see your current billing, your current plan. Obviously your billing history and everything will be in here with this. Company info, hopefully that's the same stuff you've just gone through. Personal info is yours. And then if you do need to do an upgrade, so if you're not in a Plus version, you will be able to upgrade here from your version into Plus if you need to. You can see here we can also add the payments in there. Very important section, Manage Users. For those who are looking to add users right away, this is where you're going to do it. Obviously go under Manage Users. You'll notice you're already in there. Click on the New button. Alright, you'll have a pop-up come up. Again, you're going to go down if you want same features as you have for the user you're adding. If not, there are different users, regular, reports only, and time tracking. Click Next. Enter the user's email that you want to invite to be a user. And obviously if you want to fill in their name, you can. Click Next. And as you can see, it's added in here as pending until the new user actually accepts that and sets up their user ID. Same thing for your accountants. You can actually invite them right here. Obviously accountant's email. Same thing. Alright. Next thing I want to go over just briefly, we want to cover a little bit of the chart of accounts. If you do need to go in and add or change your chart of accounts, that's where you'll find them, is underneath the gear again. And you'll also notice under this section is the import desktop data. So if you did skip that section, you can now go in here. Obviously you'll select which version. It's very wizard driven, very simple. It'll walk you right through, as you can see here, 2 steps, a couple of bits of instructions. It'll walk you right through and you'll be uploading your data right away. Okay. Last couple of things we'll go over will be the company settings. If you did skip anything in those first couple steps, like uploading your logo or any other company settings, you need to go over. This is where this is at. As you can see in here, some of the customized look and feel and stuff that you can go through. A lot of this you can find in the help menu also. If you have questions, just go through each tab one at a time. And then obviously support's there to help you out also. Okay? Alright, we're now back at the home page. Last thing I want to go over real quickly is just how to connect a bank account. This should give you the last step of really the startup. The rest of the stuff will walk you through, but obviously pretty straightforward. Connect a bank account, type your bank name in. If your bank is not included with this, there are ways for you to go through and request it, put feedback in. Obviously, you'll connect right up. It'll walk you right through the steps. That'll connect your bank account to download transactions every night, so you can get those entered in QuickBooks. With that, we're pretty much at the end of it. Last thing I want to cover is going to be the one-click screen. That's the plus sign at the very top of the screen. As you can see in here, almost all of your day-to-day activities are simply one click away. So it makes it a great time saver that you don't have to go through all the tabs. Everything's in there just one click away. Alrighty, with that, you're set and ready to go. Have a great day.